Hello everyone, myself Subhodeep. I welcome you all to my new channel Krishna Siva Creations. In this series of illuminating text, I will guide you through the complete process of measurement system analysis. Complete course shall be covered and published in 4 phases. So let's get started. Firstly, in the MSA definition section, I will brief you about the description of MSA, its uses, and why we should perform MSA. Why is it important for any industry to sustain and maintain measurement stability and improve capability of measurement system? And then, how does it differ from calibration? In the next section, I will teach you about the different parameters and properties of MSA. This shall cover total variation, accuracy and precision, resolution, uncertainty, bias, linearity, stability, repeatability, and reproducibility in a detailed manner. Third phase shall tell you about different tools and techniques of MSA and the complete process of how actually MSA should be performed. I will discuss MSA procedures both for attribute and variable data. Finally, in the last stage, I will tell you how actually MSA need to be planned and what are the prerequisites to perform the MSA effectively and how we can get the most benefit out of it. Let's start with the first phase. So, what is MSA? Measurement is expressing any quantity or parameter in terms of numbers, figures, or decision for attribute data. Now, all the instruments, devices, equipments we are using to do the measurement and the procedures we are following are collectively known as measurement system. Now, analysis, as we all know, is the interpretation of data through which we can draw meaningful conclusions. Hence, MSA is a quantitative evaluation of tools and process used in making discrete and variable observations. First of all, we need to understand that we are always working on facts and data. Now, depending on these data, we take our decisions through which we try to solve or eliminate or reduce any defect or problem that we are facing. Now, all such data or facts are collected through measurement process, be it weather forecasting or any diagnostic center or engineering industry. Hence, we need to understand the capability of our measurement system. This is very important. Hence, MSA is the process of giving that confidence on us on our measurement system. What could possibly happen if our measurement system is not capable enough? We will not be able to distinguish between okay part and defective part. We will not be able to determine our process correctly. Finally, what will ultimately happen? We will draw wrong conclusions, take incorrect decisions, which will ultimately not solve our problems or defect on which we are working. This slide shows how MSA process should flow. Input should come from control plan, list of instrument that we are using as per the control plan. Okay, we are not able to cover 100% of the instrument, that is understood. But major category of the instrument that are mentioned in the control plan work instruction should be covered under the MSA. As per the control plan and the list of instrument, there should be a MSA plan. Then, as per the MSA plan, we should perform the MSA as per the guidelines and step. Then, the results of the MSA should be verified. Then, corrective actions, if required, need to be taken and MSA need to be done again. All this will be discussed further in the next coming phases. We should have a clear concept on how MSA differs from calibration. MSA has to be conducted by actual equipment or device that are being used on the actual part that are being produced on a daily basis and by the actual inspector or operators, those who are using those equipments on daily basis. On the contrary, calibration is a controlled process which is done under a controlled environment using some specific masters and by skilled operators only. So calibration can never replace MSA. MSA is completely different from calibration. Let us understand the objective of MSA. Firstly, determines variation in measurement system. Capability of measurement system. Understanding the stability of our measurement system. MSA also shows how consistent our inspectors are while doing the measurement. Most importantly, it gives us the actual problem in our measurement system where we have to act upon, take actions to improve the measurement system. Our final goal is to reduce the measurement system variation so that we can capture most of the manufacturing process variation. With this, we end the first phase of MSA. I will soon come up with the upcoming tutorial videos. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you. Please hit the like button if you have enjoyed watching, and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified about my upcoming videos. Thanks a lot. Till then, keep smiling and take care.